When Mikey and Mia first arrived in their new home, they seemed as different as two parrots could be. Mia, very gentle, very kind, very loving, and a lot more peaceful. Mikey is an attention lover to another level. Mia quickly became close to her mama, while Mikey bonded with his dad. They really, really love each other. They just want to be with each other.
You spoiled boy.
But to our surprise, in the beginning, Mikey and Mia didn't get along. Mikey and Mia were both in quite bad situations before we found them. Mikey wasn't in the worst condition. He just had quite a small cage. The family liked him, but they just had no time for him. Mia, on the other hand, she didn't even have a perch in this cage, and this cage was about half the size of the cage that Mikey was in. Her wings were clipped as well. She was terrified of everything, and she was very, very small. When we saw them, we basically kind of had to take them and try to give them a better life. Mikey, in the beginning, was actually pretty fine. And since then, he's been pretty good. I mean, he's very loud. When we got Mia, we started working with her confidence, built up her flight muscles. Let her know that she is loved and a good bird. It was kind of heartbreaking hard in a way. But then the moment she started flying, her confidence was so much stronger. Since the first day, Mikey and Mia didn't get along. Over time, they started to warm up to each other, showing small signs of trust. Gradually, the tension melted, and we started seeing them share little moments.
Okay.
And then they could start flocking together, and then they started preening each other. Throughout the spring, they take over our bathroom and try to build a nest, and it's just absolute chaos. It's just one of those things where you learn the crazy commitment of having these birds in your life. We'll never get the true kind of bond we had back when we kind of first got them both. But it's nice that they have each other. These birds, they do pair and mate for life. Their bond is such a heartwarming reminder that birds can love as well as humans.
If you are rescuing or thinking of adopting an exotic animal, please make sure to contact professionals and do your research so that they can have the best life possible.